Raoul Pal, a well-known macro investor and former Goldman Sachs executive, has just shared a major prediction about XRP, and it's something every holder needs to hear. He has been vocal about the future of digital assets and how they fit into the global financial system, and now he's turning his attention to XRP. With the recent legal clarity following the SEC lawsuit, many investors are wondering if XRP is finally ready to take off. Pal's insights suggest that the real opportunity for XRP may just be getting started, and those who understand the bigger picture could be in for massive gain. But what exactly did he say, and how does it align with what's happening in the market right now? Could we be on the verge of a major breakout, or is there more waiting ahead? Let's break down his latest analysis and what it could mean for XRP's future. Raoul Pal is not just another crypto analyst, he's one of the most respected macro investors in the world. As a former Goldman Sachs executive and founder of Real Vision, he has built a reputation for accurately predicting major financial trends. His deep understanding of global markets, liquidity cycles, and institutional money flows makes his insights incredibly valuable, especially in the world of crypto. Paul has been bullish on digital assets for years, recognizing their potential to reshape the financial system. He was one of the early voices predicting Bitcoin's massive growth, and his analysis of Ethereum's rise proved to be highly accurate. Now he has turned his attention to XRP, and his perspective carries weight because he doesn't focus on hype, he looks at the real fundamentals and market cycles that drive price movement. What makes Pal's view on XRP especially important is his expertise in macroeconomics. He understands how large-scale financial shifts such as inflation, interest rate changes, and institutional adoption affect asset prices. Unlike short-term traders who react to daily price movements, Pal looks at the big picture. And according to him, XRP could be positioned for something big in the coming months. But what exactly did he predict? And why does he believe XRP has major upside potential? Let's take a closer look at his latest analysis. Raoul Pal's latest prediction on XRP is catching the attention of investors, and for good reason. According to him, the resolution of the SEC lawsuit has removed one of the biggest obstacles standing in the way of XRP's growth. Now that the legal uncertainty is gone, XRP has the potential to attract significant institutional interest. Pal believes that the real value of XRP lies in its utility, specifically in the global payment system. He sees XRP as a key player in the future of finance, where blockchain-based solutions will replace outdated banking systems. One of the biggest points Pal highlights is liquidity flow. He explains that the global financial system is entering a phase where liquidity will begin shifting into alternative assets, including cryptocurrency. In simple terms, when central banks ease monetary policy and money starts flowing into markets again, assets like XRP could see a surge in demand. Paul believes XRP's role in cross-border transactions, combined with its regulatory clarity, makes it one of the most attractive cryptocurrencies for institutional investors looking for exposure beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. Paul also points out that XRP is perfectly positioned to benefit from the rise of central bank digital currencies. Kabitzi's Ripple has already partnered with multiple financial institutions and governments working on digital currency projects. If XRP becomes integrated into these systems, it could see massive adoption at a scale never seen before. While many investors focus on short-term price swings, Pal urges people to think long-term. He suggests that XRP's true value may not be fully realized yet, but the conditions are lining up for a significant rally in the future. So if Pal is right, what key factors will drive XRP's price higher? Let's break down the most important elements that could fuel a major breakout. Several key factors support Raoul Pal's bullish prediction for XRP, and they all point to the possibility of a major breakout. The first and most obvious factor is institutional adoption. Now that XRP has legal clarity in the U.S., financial institutions that were hesitant to use it due to regulatory concerns can now integrate it into their system. Ripple has already established partnerships with major banks and payment providers around the world, and this is expected to expand further. As more institutions start using XRP for cross-border transactions, demand for the token will naturally increase, driving the price higher. Another important factor is the growing need for faster and more efficient payment solutions. The traditional banking system, including SWIFT, is slow, expensive, and outdated. XRP offers near-instant transactions with minimal fees, making it an attractive alternative for banks and financial institutions. If Ripple continues to gain traction in this sector, it could significantly boost XRP's value in the long run. Additionally, XRP's involvement in central bank digital currencies, KBDCs, is another game changer. Many governments are exploring blockchain technology to launch their own digital currencies, and Ripple is actively working with several central banks on these projects. If XRP becomes a bridge currency for KBDCs, its utility and demand could skyrocket. Market cycles also play a big role in XRP's potential price movement. Bitcoin and Ethereum are often the first to rally in a bull market, but altcoins like XRP tend to follow with even bigger gains. If the crypto market enters a new bullish phase, XRP could see explosive growth as investors look for undervalued assets with strong fundamentals. However, while these factors create a strong case for XRP's future growth, it's also important to consider the risks. Let's take a look at the potential challenges that could slow down XRP's price movement. While the future looks promising for XRP, there are still risks that investors should be aware of. No investment comes without challenges, and understanding potential obstacles can help XRP holders make smarter decisions. One of the biggest risks is regulatory uncertainty in other parts of the world. While the SEC lawsuit may be over, different countries have their own regulations regarding cryptocurrency. If governments impose strict policies on digital assets or introduce new restrictions, it could slow down XRP's adoption in certain regions. Another factor to consider is competition from other blockchain projects. While XRP is a leader in cross-border payments, other cryptocurrencies like Stellar, XLM, Quant, QNT, and even traditional financial giants are developing their own blockchain-based payment solutions. If a new or existing technology gains more traction than XRP, it could impact its long-term growth potential. Ripple will need to continue innovating and expanding its network to stay ahead in the market. Market sentiment and investor behavior also play a major role in price movements. Even if XRP has strong fundamentals, the crypto market is highly volatile, and short-term price swings can be influenced by external factors like Bitcoin's performance, macroeconomic conditions, or sudden sell-offs by large holders. Investors should be prepared for fluctuations and avoid making decisions based purely on hype. Additionally, institutional adoption is not guaranteed. While many believe that banks and financial institutions will start using XRP now that the lawsuit is over, adoption takes time. Large-scale integration into the financial system is a gradual process, and investors need to have patience rather than expecting immediate price surges. Despite these risks, XRP's long-term outlook remains strong, especially with its growing use cases and legal clarity. The key for investors is to stay informed, think long-term, and avoid emotional trading. So what's next for XRP? Will it finally reach its full potential, or is more patience required? Let's wrap things up with some final thoughts on Raoul.